Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today. I'm excited to walk you through a quick product demo of HeyMeetAI and show you how it works.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Let's get started with the walkthrough. I'll request the first step now. I open our website and click the login button. Now I'll move on to the next step. I entered my email address. I'll proceed to the next step now. Then I click continue. This took me to the password entry page. Now I'll move on to the next step. I enter my password. Would you like to continue with the next steps?
Yes, please.
I clicked continue. Now I'll proceed to the next step. I clicked on the sidebar menu icon. Next, I clicked on templates. Would you like to continue with the next steps?
Yes, please.
I clicked use template for the AI Scrum Manager. I'll move on to the next step now. I clicked use template for the AI Scrum Manager. Then I clicked create AI agent.